If you're a watch person and you've been on Instagram, you've probably gotten an ad from Straps Co. They are relatively affordable strap company. They came out with some straps that kind of piqued my interest because they are leather straps that, I don't know the correct term, but they're flat. They don't have like the padding inside of them. And I wanted to check these out. We're gonna do an unboxing today. I've never bought from them before, but I'm really excited to see how the quality is, and I want to see if this is a company that I want to buy from in the future. So packaging is pretty standard. One fun thing that Straps Co does that was really cool was they do this like $6 mystery strap thing where they'll just pick some random strap and include it in your bundle. So I did that for $6, and it looks like they sent me over a nylon strap. Cool. All right, we'll put that to the side. So I got 3 colorways for these. Let me tell you the actual name of these straps. These are called the Thinline Saffiano Straps. Looks like I might have ordered tang buckles, extra tang buckles on accident, but it was only like $6. It's not a big deal. Thinline Saffiano Straps. I got 3 colorways here. Oh, total that I paid, so after tax and everything and shipping protection, it was $65.05. Let's I'm actually gonna start with this blue one because I bought this to pair with my C1 moon phase. I like the strap that comes with the Christopher Ward, but it's a little too like bulky for me, especially for a dress watch. I wanted something to pare it down just a little bit. This is the strap here. Thin line, no padding, which I think for dress watches is, in my personal opinion, it has a better look. I'm excited to see how this pairs with the C1 moon phase. As you can see, C1 moon phase here. Really nice strap from C Ward, but I feel like the strap is a little thick, and I think for a dress watch I personally prefer the tang over the deployant. I think it'll just look a little bit classier if it's like super thin. This colorway, the blue, is Midnight. The leather feels surprisingly good. It's not like the best leather I've touched for a watch strap, but it's not the worst. Some of these Amazon straps are pretty bad that you get, but this is not bad. I'm very pleased with this, especially for the price. I mean, $65 for 4 straps, that's like, you know, less than $20 a strap. Has a quick release here, which is very convenient. We love that. Cool. Let's go ahead and unbox everything so that we just get that out of the way and we can pare it down with some stuff that we want to try out. This is I think this colorway is called the Onyx. Packaging's nice. You know, keeps them separate so the hardware doesn't rub together when it's being shipped. The tang buckle, pretty straightforward. Inside leather feels good. The texture for these is nice. I'm gonna try to put these with my Datejust. This is the coffee colorway. This colorway is nice. It's got taper from 20 to 18. And I'm gonna pair this with the Hamilton Khaki Murph. Let's start with the Midnight with the C1 moon phase. All right, C1 with the Straps Co. Saffiano Midnight. My wrist is 6.5 inches. And that looks pretty good. No complaints there. I like how the thinness kind of like shrinks down, kind of gives this like visual cue of like the lug to lug shrinking down a little bit. That's like kind of what I wanted from the strap that came with the watch, because the bulkier strap that came with the watch, it has this like, it kind of bulks up the watch a little bit. It has this, gives it this effect where it's a little bigger than it is, but for this one, slims it down a bit, which is nice. Not mad at that at all. I think that's great. That's a good look. There you go. We'll see in a few weeks how these straps do after some moderate wear, but I feel like it'll do good. That looks pretty sick. I like that. I like this texture for this watch more than, I like this grainy texture more than just this, you know, standard leather texture that comes with the Seaward. The Seaward leather is definitely much nicer. The strap is much nicer. It's lined with suede on the bottom. It's just, for me, it's a little bulky, and the deployant kind of is a little big. You know, I wanted something a little thinner for this since it's mostly worn as a dress watch. Kind of a statement piece. Let's move on to my Datejust with the Onyx. I figured out something funny. Like when I have my Datejust off of my Jubilee, I actually don't wear it as much, so I think I'm just gonna put it back on the Jubilee. But I think the Saffiano Onyx, this textured leather, the thinness of it definitely does the job. You know, especially for dress watches or like dress-like watches. I think if it's too puffed up, it kind of makes it feel huge. Let's see what it looks like on the wrist. And you can see how, because of the thinness of the strap, it just like narrows the watch down so much. It's so nice. I like that a lot. That's great. Cool. That looks good. Dope. All right, let's get this coffee Saffiano on the Murph, and then we'll wrap up the video. The reason why I got sucked into purchasing these was I think Strapsco was doing a buy two get one free, and that's how I was able to get 4 straps for like 60 something bucks, which is really great deal. Oh yeah. The strap looks great on the Murph. It definitely classes it up a bit. Gives it a great look, great vibe. The color is fantastic. Wow. This is a great combination for the Murph. Wow, look at that. I have a 6.5 inch wrist. My only note for Straps Co., if they can start coming with different sizes for smaller wrists, because this access is, it's fine, but I'm on like the last hole here, you know, so, but it's not a big deal. I'm just being picky at this point. That looks great. I love that. I love that look. Cool. All right, so Straps Co., first time I've purchased with them. Really pleased with the price and the quality of these straps. I'll probably throw an update on a different video further down the line once I get some reps in with these and wear them out for a little bit. Yeah, for the grand total of all 3, of these straps, less than $100 for all of these, all 3 of these colorways, which I think is a great deal. I'm sure that they're going to be running deals all the time, but this is the Straps Co. haul. Let me get a tighter shot for y'all. And yeah, super pleased with this. I think that Straps Co., I think you got a new customer. I'll definitely be shopping with y'all again sometime in the future, and really pleased with the product that you put out. If you have any questions about these, or you know, if you're interested, or you saw the ad, or you found these online and you wanted to take a look and see what these are about, I'm here. But yeah, anyway, go Knicks. We're in the finals. We're playing the Spurs. Just watched the game, the Western Conference Finals game. Crazy. We haven't been back to the finals in like 27 years or something. Really excited. So if you're a Knicks fan, go Knicks. If you're not a Knicks fan, just root for us, dude. Come on. We really need this. It's been a long time coming. In my lifetime, at least one, please. I need one just in my lifetime. I've been with the Knicks since the 93 team. Starks, Ewing, Oakley, Mason, Derek Harper. This is like pre-Charlie Ward, pre-Allen Houston, you know, like the OG squad, the OG 90s squad. So yeah, this season's been exciting. Anyway, yeah, appreciate you stopping by, and we'll check you later. Peace.